Hey guys, welcome back to BlakeWrTv Kitchen. You know what it is. It's Chef Blake in the kitchen. I'm so happy to have you guys back here with me. I appreciate all of you guys who's watching the show, who has been sharing and reposting the show, guys, who's actively commenting on these nice, delicious, mouth-watering, delicious Jamaican food that you have seen we uploaded on our cooking channel, guys. So if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and check it out and subscribe, share it, and be a family, you know what I mean, on the show. We appreciate all our newcomers and our frequent comers, people who visit the channel regularly but haven't subscribed. Do so today, guys. Subscribe and be active on the channel. We appreciate that a lot. It means a lot to us, okay? It helps us to put up new videos, new delicious food every day so you guys can enjoy our deliciousness. All right, thanks for being here. Today we are frying some fish and we're going to get right into it, show you what we got going on. Okay, guys, here's our fish. We seasoned them up, I believe it was yesterday, and they are properly sit in the refrigerator overnight. You know what that means? They are properly marinated, okay? We got all the nice onions and then scallions. All the nice seasoning herbs is already cut up and put on them, guys. They are sitting properly marinating last night. They're going to be so delicious, guys. They're going to be mouth-watering. So we're going to go ahead and fry them. But first, we got to remove them out of this pan and put them into a tray. Okay, first, let's get this little baby started. Okay, this is our frying pot. And let's get it nice and hot. So fish can come out looking deliciously good, full of flavor. So now is the time to put some oil in here. Okay. There we go. Got enough oil in there, guys. Looking good. You guys just like my little pimento bean crusher thing over there. I think this is a nice addition to the kitchen. And over here, we are gonna go and take out our baby. Yes, guys, yes. Here is our baby right here, seasoned up nicely from last night. We're gonna take time and pull him out of here. Okay, there we go. Look at that, boy, look at that. Oh, juicy. Juicy. Put him right here. I gotta get off the season off of him. Okay? Here we go, right here. Today I don't have my assistants with me, so I have to be doing everything by myself. Look at this baby. Look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. Delicious. Ready to go. There we go. Put him down over there. Put this to the side. And then, okay, we're going to put a little piece of onion in here. That's going to tell us when the oil is hot. So let's put a piece of onion and do like that. Drop something in the oil. When you do that, it tells you when it's hot. Okay, guys, so we are waiting on our oil to get hot. It's taking a little while, but trust me, it's going to worth it because it's going to be so delicious, guys. These fish is going to come out so nice and scrumptious. They're going to be full of flavor, okay? So hang with me, guys. I'm going to show you what we got going on. So, guys, tell me, what is your favorite fish? Is it red snapper? Is it croaker? Is it... Tell me, whatever. You know, is it salmon? Let me know. What is your favorite fish, okay? I like croaker, okay? Especially when you do them good. And put that good old Jamaican pimento on them croaker, okay? Fry them crispy and nice, okay? Then you make some little sauce on the side with some vegetables steamed down to go along with them. And you can serve them whatever you want. If you want to cook some rice and peas or you want to cook some festival, whatever you want to put on them bad boys, it's up to you, okay? It's your choice. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and move the onion out the pot. This will tell us when the oil is hot. So now it's time to put this bad boy in here. Look at that, guys. This fish is so big, it can barely hold in the pot. Let me do a bigger pot. You want to move it around a little bit. You want to shift it around a little bit. That way it don't get stick. You don't want that bad boy to be stick. Oh man, smell that flavor. Awesome flavor. More water and deliciousness. Yes. This is where it all gets down. BlakeWrTv kitchen, guys. Okay, guys. It's time for us to put the other one in there. You don't want to keep the first one lonely. Give him some company. There we go. Move these off. Yeah. Looking good. Just move him around a little bit. That way it don't stick. Shift it around a little bit like this. Just like that. That's all you need. This baby's gonna be nice. Yeah. Oh man, I wish you guys were here. To smell this flavor. There's so much flavor coming out of this pot. The kitchen is just filled with awesome bursting flavor, guys. Oh man, it's nice. Yes, guys, I'm telling you, these fish are gonna be so delicious. Look at them. They're coming out very nicely. This is awesome, flavorful goodness. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this one around. This is the first big one to put in there. Look at that. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna need assistance here. Assistance. Look at that. Oh. Woo-hoo-hoo. These look great. That looks so good. What do you think about my fish?
It smells great.
It smells great. It's bad boy fish today. Bad boy for life.
Wow. Look at that nice color.
Oh yeah. That's what we talking about. Okay guys, as y'all can see, I'm still cooking. We had that awesome fish. Cutting up some carrots right here, and over here is my vegetables. Okay guys, what I have in here is some carrots. I have some carrots, I have some pimento bean, I have some onions, I have some scallions, and a lot of seasoning, good herbs and spice to go along with it. So here we are, guys. We're gonna go ahead and put some extra virgin olive oil in here. Just a little bit, not much. That should be good enough. And you just go ahead and you're gonna toss these things in here. Just like that. Shake them around a little bit. See they're nice and good. Let's go ahead and pour them in. Get a little water in the same saucepan. Switch it around a little bit. And just pour it over it. There we go. And you're going to steam this down a little bit. Okay guys, I put a little bit of black pepper in here, and a little bit of Mrs. Dash, and a little bit more of complete season, just to give it a nice flavor, nice taste to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a lid on here and just let it steam down for a little bit, and then I'm gonna take it off. So I figure it's gonna be steaming for about 6-7 minutes the most, and then it should be good to go. Hey guys, this is what the final product looks like, guy. We have our fried fish, we have our vegetable on the side, and we have our good old coconut milk Jamaican rice and peas. You see what I'm talking about? Look at this guy. And guess what? We have some hot sauce from St. Lucia. It's blazing hot. So if you like your fish to be hot, I put it on the side. And you see what I did for you guys? I let you choose your sauce. Because some of you guys will say, how it's so hot? Jamaican food is so hot. So guess what? When I cook and show you my cooking tutorial, guys, I show you how you can tune out the sauce. You can filter out the sauce if you don't want the hot sauce. But if you want to have your food like me, with a little bit of sauce in my mouth, something hot and delicious, I like to add a little hot sauce to it in the end. And I put it on the side so you can choose how you want it. It's all up to you. Okay guys, thank you for watching BlakeWrTv Kitchen. Please remember to repost this video, show it to your friends, repost it on your Facebook, Instagram, wherever you are on social media. Let people see this video, guys. Please remember, support the channel by reposting the videos. I appreciate all of you guys who comment. Let me know what else you guys want to see me cook in BlakeWrTv Kitchen. It's your personal chef here teaching you how to cook like a pro right here in BlakeWrTv Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Peace. Love all of y'all.